So I'm out here hiking and I came across these chairs out on the hiking trail out in the middle of the desert. So I'm just sitting out here. It's a beautiful, beautiful day, surrounded by a bunch of gorgeous mountains and rocks. This area that I'm in kind of southeast Utah, the mountains are all sandstone, and they say that they are 165 million years old. My wife and I just went on a little couple day vacation. She's pregnant with our third daughter, so we're doing a little baby moon. And I was out here just enjoying probably some of the most quiet I've heard in many, many, many years. Just absolutely beautiful. And I wanted to let you know that one of the number one things that people have been asking is for as much financial help as possible. Right now, obviously, the cost of living's drastically increased, inflation's drastically increased, and I believe that we're kind of moving into a new world where the way that you create financial freedom to have the ability to live a more purposeful life, a more meaningful life, to give yourself the time freedom to pursue the things you care about, and to have the financial flexibility to take care of yourself, your family. I believe that those things are changing to really a new paradigm. And I think one of the key words is cash flow. Not cash flow in terms of just having one source of income and having just one job, which can be great, but to really create financial independence and really find that level of freedom in this kind of new dawn of human history that we're entering. It's the ability to have numerous sources of cash flow, especially things that you can do from your own home. And so I'm really excited today because for a limited time, we're doing a huge discount on a brand new program that we created called 10-minute cash flow. I wanted to make something that you could consume, and given the fact that you are very busy, you have a lot going on, you have responsibilities, you have chores, you have family, you have work, you have your personal life, you have your hobbies. I wanted to create something that every single thing that we put together can be consumed and applied in as little as 10 minutes. So we put together some of the best ways to produce simple side income and to produce cash flow over 21 ways. And each of them is put together in 10 minutes, and we call it 10-minute cash flow. And we're doing a early coming into the end of the year as everyone gets ready for their 2025 goals, where we're doing a huge, very quick period of time where we're making it something that everyone, no matter where in the world you are, you can not only afford to join, but you have the time to join. And so the link is jakeducey.com/10, just the actual digits 10, jakeducey.com/10. I'll link it right there down below in the description as well. Or you can click the link that's pinned to the comments too. But if you click the link in the description, you can check that out. I wanted to make sure everyone had the opportunity because I believe that is really the key. Is cash flow, and cash flow in ways that aren't going to take you 17 years of education and $250,000 in educational debt to do. Things that you can do from your own home with little tech experience. So it's called 10-minute cash flow. So I want to invite you to check that out for a quick period of time. We're going to do a huge discount so everyone can join, no matter where you are in the world, no matter how much time you have available. Everything is built in 10-minute modules So 10-minute with over 20 different ways to create quick cash flow, and all of them are going to be broken down so you can apply them in 10 minutes or less. So I want to invite you to check that out. It's jakeducey.com/10. You can click the link in the description right there as well, or it's pinned to the comments. So wishing you a beautiful day. I'm gonna sit out here and enjoy these random chairs in the middle of nature. So yeah, wishing you a beautiful day. I want to thank you for being a part of the community. Be sure to check out 10-minute cash flow. You can click the link down below or go to jakeducey.com/10.